Om Swastiastu. Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make a fruit salad with yogurt, and here I have some fruit that I bought yesterday from Badugul, except the rambutan I bought locally here. So here I have gold banana, mangosteen, passion fruit, snake fruit, and dragon fruit. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut them into small pieces. So I'm start with the dragon fruit first. For the snake fruit, the first thing is I'm going to peel the skin. And the rambutan, they're all growing in Bali locally. So it's nice to have a fruit that you can get locally and make it salad on it with it. So for the rambutan as well, they have a stone inside, so we just take the meat. You can put as much as you want. Like here I using only half for the dragon fruits and 2 snake fruit and around 5 rambutans, and I'm going to put 3 banana and 3 mangosteen. This is the way we open the mangosteen. You take the white meat inside, and they have a stone, then normally I don't eat it. And I'm going to use 2 passion fruit. And we're going to top with yogurt. Here we are, fruit salad with yogurt. Thank you very much for watching. Matur suksema. Bye bye.